Now, the plugin area is again something that I've kind of set up, but you could certainly, add plugins to this program. It's the reason why I chose to use the WordPress.org software instead of just using a straight WordPress.com site. It's because of the functionality of the plugins. So what you're seeing right now are the plugins that I have installed into the site. The Mingle forum, you can see this is the plugin that I use to make the forum. The Easy Rotator for WordPress, this is a great photo slider that I haven't quite added anything to yet, but this is one of the plugins that I have a feeling we'll be using quite a bit. I did actually add in TeachPress. It's supposed to be a great way to manage courses, so I haven't quite used it, but I was thinking that this would be a fun plugin for us to play with, because we may find that we could use this for our classes if we were going to set up our own individual WordPress sites. I do have a few of these deactivated simply because like the vanilla forums did not like them. In fact, I probably will delete this. But some of the ones that I kept essentially were things that I thought would really help with our productivity. So you could add other plugins. You could simply go into add new and type in maybe something that you would like to see. Let's say comments. Maybe we want to see some different comments plugins. Now, something to just keep in mind with plugins, not all plugins work with every template. Now, the Oxygen template or theme that we have chosen is through WordPress, so or it was made by a developer that WordPress really endorses. So most of these plugins should work with it, and that's one of the reasons why I chose Oxygen. Just besides the aesthetic reasons and some of its functionality, but some of the plugins, just keep in mind, may not work. So you can download it, install it, activate it, and then check it out, see if it works. But it's going to kind of be on you to make sure that that actually does work. If it doesn't, no big deal, delete it, and we'll just try and get it out of here. Now, if you don't want to rely strictly on the search function within our WordPress site, just go to WordPress.org and click on their plugins, and you can see all the different plugins that they have. And it might give you some cool ideas for things that you might want that you never even knew were out there. For instance, this like Tumblr importer. For those of you that have like Tumblr blogs, maybe you want to import something into WordPress, so you could do that. bbPress, that is a forum software. I would stay away from bbPress. And BuddyPress, unfortunately, this does not currently work with the Oxygen theme, so I wouldn't even bother with BuddyPress or bbPress right now. We already have Jetpack, which makes our site supercharged, but as you can see, there's lots of different things here. So you can simply go to the plugin section of WordPress.org and see what they have out there. Now, in order for you to install one of these plugins, I would definitely check the ratings, see what people are saying about it also before you start importing anything in here. But we'll just say Better WordPress recent comments. We'll go to the details, read about it, see if that's what you want, read some of the comments, and then if you do want it, go ahead and hit install. It's that simple. We'll hit OK, and then we'll just have to activate plugin. So we've installed and activated one plugin, and now I'd like to show you how to delete a plugin. The WordPress importer, I deactivated it. Okay, so you can simply hit deactivate, and I already did that, and then I can go in and actually delete it, which is what I want to do. I'm going to go in and yes, delete these files, and there we go, all deleted. Okay, so that's how you guys can work with these plugins. Feel free, go search for some really cool plugins, and then let us know what you add to the site.